we have given implication. If the earth is flat, then Julius Caesar was the first president of United States. So first let me put that our P simple statement will be the earth is flat. And Q will be Julius Caesar was the first president of United States. This is our Q. We have implication. P implies Q. We have to find now converse of this implication. The converse is Q implies P. So we have to rewrite our sentence, and we will have first to put Julius Caesar was the first president of the United States, and of course I forgot, we have to put if Julius Caesar was the first president of United States, then we have statement the earth is flat. This is our converse to implication, to given implication. Now we have to write contrapositive. Of implication P implies Q is not Q implies not P. So we have first to put negation of Q. Because we have implications, so we have to use at the beginning word if, and we have to negate this first statement. So it will be if Julius Caesar, negation, we have was the first, so it will be was not the first president of the United States, then, and now negation of P statement, the earth is flat, so will be the earth is not flat. Then the earth is not flat. So this is my solution.